Hi guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Sushi Star. So, try natin to. 3 piraso guys, for 100. We have here crab stick. Okay lang.
Rate mo.
It's 6 out of 10.
6 out of 10.
Yeah, normal na crab stick, tas nori, tas rice. Yun lang mismo. How's the taste?
A good 7 out of 10. Medyo hassle siya kainin since manipis lang.
Next guys, yung kimbap. Normal na kimbap. Masarap.
So next is yung Xiaolong Bao. Try natin. Nine out of 10.
Choco Xiaolong Bao guys. Try natin. Yo!
Di na.
Choco Xiaolong Bao guys. Tara. Masarap na. Panalo yung chocolate sa loob. Kaya bibigyan ito ng 10 out of 10.
Can you guys try? Diba? Solid.
Oh my God! Di ba?
Yum.
I rate it.
Rate it. 8 out of 10.
Very picky with chocolate, but I like it. So it's nice.
Okay. Yung nagka-dragon fruit. 10 out of 10.
Next guys is baga ng mama. So try natin. First time namin matatry ito guys. Lalo siya. Hindi siya kumakain ng mga ganito guys. So, try natin.
Ikaw muna. Okay na guys. Siya na lang. The stress. Maliit lang. Maliit lang.
Guys oh! Guys oh! Guys oh! Parang tapa lang.
Yeah, parang tangko lang.
Diba?
Baga ni Mama.
Pangapay. Okay lang.
Hi guys, next natin is Enoki Rose. Ulit. Kain ulit tayo guys. Kaya mo? Try ko.
Let's go.
Kamusta yung chick?
Nasa ba? Like, maumami.
Guys oh! Ilocos empanada. Ano, tara?
Wow, so may conbite pa siya.
Try niya guys. Wait.
9 out of 10. You first. Good luck daw sa hininga natin later.
Chocolate sa kawali, right? Ano? Para?